Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Realme 12X. Okay, so let's begin. So, I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process, so let's get straight into the app. Now in here, simply select your language and click on agree and continue. You can allow to send you notifications, and now in here you need to type your phone number. So that's what I'm gonna do now, so give me a second. Okay, I am almost done. Alright, so once you have verified your phone number, now we have this contacts and media. We can click on continue. We can allow to give access to the contacts, also to the music and audio, and to the photos and videos. I'm just click on allow all. Okay, and now as you can see, we have restore your chats. Below we can see when the last backup was made. Below also the size and the account on which it was made. Also, if you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel we have a video when I'm showing you how to create the WhatsApp backup. Okay, so once everything is done, simply click on this green button, restore. Okay, now the process has started, so we need to wait until it's finished. It shouldn't take much time because there are not a lot of messages. Okay, 70% and now 100. Okay, now 10 messages restored, your media will restore in the background. So now I can click on next. In the profile info, simply type your name. And if you click on this green plus, you can add your profile photo. Now simply click on next. Okay, and now let's see. As you can see, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, have been successfully restored. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.